Portescap has been fueling innovation in infusion systems for over 40 years. Portescap provides products that help reduce the pump size by offering motors as small as 8 mm in diameter, extension of the battery life of the pump with motor efficiency levels up to 90%, and lowering the cost of care for the patient through improved price for performance designs for the pump. The motor requirements for infusion pumps typically include reliability for extended life of the pump, high power density to create compact pumps, and optimized motion solution design to enable the optimum performance for the pump. Successful infusion system designs rely on the motion solution for the drive mechanism. The overall pump requirements include being portable, discreet, reliable, and cost-effective for the patient. Portescap offers significant technology advantages with their broad range of products, including coreless DC motors, which provide high efficiency and long brush life, and can stack steppers, which provide a cost-effective solution with simple control. Multiple gearhead and encoder options can provide increased torque output and position verification during drug delivery. The patient's needs from a pump fuel the pump specifications, which fold back to the attributes needed from the motion solution. Portescap considers the patient experience when selecting the motor technology for the drive system. Pumps require precise and reliable deliveries, which require accuracy and precision from the pump, driving the motion solution to be sized with the proper gear ratio and the correct feedback to ensure that accurate and reliable delivery. Patient comfort is a priority, which means the motion solution must produce low noise. Portescap offers a range of gearboxes to optimize with the motor technology selection, providing the lowest noise possible during drug delivery. Freedom and portability are also extremely important for the patient, achieved with compact pump designs and extended battery life. Highly efficient and high power density motors create a compact pump design for the patient. Portescap continues to provide optimized motion solutions which allow the pump designers to create the ideal product for the patient. At Portescap, we're more than just motors. To learn more about what we can do for your business, please visit our website www.portescap.com or call your regional representative. Thank you for your time.